तो टाइगर यहाँ पे है और everyone should have to know about this. Should have बहुत डेंजरस भी हो सकता है जब आप अगर पैदल चल रहे हैं तो बहुत डेंजरस हो सकता है आपके लिए. So be careful during walk at the night. So it's very beautiful. And now he's just steering us. Might be possible that we'll come in our side. Oh my God, it is very fantastic, very beautiful. Never see Nathia Gali that tonight.